Well, hello, good morning, everybody. How you all doing? We are live. Unfortunately, it seems I slept right through my alarm. It was going off when I woke up, about an hour late. Uh, but we're here. We made it. We're good. My apologies for that. So I was just watching the price here, and I saw us coming down to previous day's point of control midnight open here. We had a bullish fair value gap from pre-market. I'm like, damn, this is looking like a long. But I thought to myself, okay, let's be patient on this one. Don't jump in right away. Just got up, just got here. And good thing I did so far. We're still pushing lower here. But we're taking out the lows here. The initial balance low is taken out. So I'm going to mark this guy up here, IB low, which is also opening range low. So let's see how it goes here. Hey, Puran, good morning. Looks like Ryan was in the chat earlier. It looks like he's goes, hope all is good. I see no one here. Came on and made a few hundred off the work now. Trade like an adult. Yes, sir, Mr. Ryan. Yes, sir. Congratulations on that. How's your morning going, Puran? Kind of interested in possibly taking a short here, but we do have a 15-minute here from pre-market. I think I might try a trade in my top one futures account here. Let's go make sure we got this account hooked up properly real quick. We're holding this fair value gap here on the 15-minute. Good morning, everybody. Okay, so this one is disabled, so we need to enable that guy, edit it, add a connection, create a subscription. New subscription, top one future, this one here. $153,120. Create subscription. Add to position, market order, market order. So I'm just connecting one of my accounts to Trader's Post here. Enable save. There we go. That should be good now. Go into strategies. Top on Future Pro. 2 subscribes. Nice. Okay. We are good. Hey, wrong trade, Jim. Good morning. How are you? Somehow, I slept right through my alarm. It was like going off still when I woke up. I actually woke up to Ralph shaking his head, and I'm like, what is going on, Ralph? Hard for me to be bearish here, but I think we have to be. I mean, we're below the VWAP. We're below both VWAPs. And we've been putting in some pretty strong bearish candles here, especially on the 15 minute, on the 30 minute here. You been there? Yeah. They're really trying to hold this 15-minute bullish fair value gap here. Basically right here. Got 6 minutes left on this. I'm going to try to be patient here to wait to see if we can invert this 15-minute. So I do have a new video coming out at 9:30 my time, so 12:30 Eastern Standard Time. Pretty excited for that. So we are pushing down here pretty nicely. Can't really just jump in this though. It's kind of like a little bit too. Hey, Ralph's. I usually don't add Ralph to the morning stream, Metal. He's still over there. He's just chilling out. Because I'm usually trading with Nick, Mustang trader. So didn't really have three spots for for the dog and Nick. Wow, guys, I can't believe this market is just straight down. It came out of the gate looking pretty bullish and then did a nice big indecision candle there and just rolled straight over from there. So I am, just keep in mind guys, even though I have this little trade plan here, I'm waiting for this 15-minute candle to close. So we got about 3.5 minutes, and we got to close below this fair value gap here, 29,870. So currently obviously we're pretty low, but you never know what's going to happen in the last couple minutes here. You think it'll take the lows of Asia and London? Yeah, quite possibly. That's the way it's looking. We do have another 15-minute bullish fair value gap down there, but I just don't know, like for myself, since I'm a little bit late here, I don't know that the risk to reward here is ideal for this at the moment. If I were to jump into this guy right now, but if for some reason they decide to hold this level, the bulls are definitely, I would say the bulls are going to come back into play here. So I'm going to just copy, I'm going to try to place some orders here just because I don't know if my traders post is connected properly. So let's just do that here. So 29,783 buy. So got one in there, but this one doesn't have one. Okay, cancel open orders. So it looks like I need to update one more from the top one futures. New subscription. We have these equal lows here too, which could be a super draw on liquidity. But like I was saying here, if we hold this, if we end up holding this fair value gap and then we start looking bullish again, like breaking back up above, I don't see why they're not going to potentially take it back to the highs, right? Let's try this again. Okay, looks like both accounts worked. Yes, both accounts worked. Okay, perfect. So I got this this copy trader hooked up here for top one futures. The buyers are really trying to hold this level here. Asia and London lows are the same on my chart. Maybe a point of support. Are you looking at oh, let's see here. So there's that first candle there, this guy. So it's a little bit lower, right? 29,780 I think is the low. Yeah, 29,780 is the low of Asia, or at least it's low of the start of the electronic session, and then 29,800 here. Okay, well we did invert that fair value gap here, so it could potentially wait for a retest of this fair value gap now and then a continuation lower. It's kind of what I'm thinking here. let's get logged into top one futures here. Okay, there we go. We're bouncing in here. Okay, I did enter a short here. Let's see if this is going to be a bad idea, but basically entered short on this inverted fair value gap here on the 15-minute, targeting the lows here. Good looking sell on rallies back to the VWAP. You think it's going to go all the way to the VWAP? I'm taking this short on the inverted bullish fair value gap that we just closed on the 15-minute here. We did find some support on the 200 EMA. Hopefully this doesn't keep ripping. Now, if we end up, you know, taking the point of control and, you know, really strong looking like we're going above IB low, I won't love this trade very much anymore. I think I do have enough room in my stop though. Putting on 80 points stop, 80 point TP. So I'm risking about 320 on this trade for a 320 winner. Worst case scenario, if it were to just instantly go to my stop. So the yes actually can drop. We'll see, it might. See if this bad boy can play out here. I'm gonna watch this on a little bit of a smaller time frame since I'm already entered here. Is this gonna just go all the way back up, guys? What the heck here? See if these bears aren't going to be here still or not. Or is that the extent of the move? We still have orders 29,800 down below. Maybe I should actually be front running those orders a little bit. Adjust the stop loss a little bit just for the TP there. Come on, boys. Let's play out here. Play it out. Got to take those equal lows. Let's go. Don't be nasty, NASDAQ. Don't be nasty. Be nice. Play nice. Okay, I like that so far. Really need to sweep these lows. I see there's 181 contracts down at 800 here. Looks like we might be getting to my TP here relatively quick. Come on, let's go. Some buyers kind of stepping in here right at this low, 829. Come on. We only need like 25 more points here to the downside. Let's go. Can finally trade today. It's a two-way market again. I'm happy. Oh, you like it when it's like that? You don't like when it just goes higher, higher, higher? Fair enough, fair enough. Come on, Bears. Let's go, please. You're a mean reversion trader. I need pullbacks to support, etc. Retests. Nice. Yeah. Fair enough. There we go. Look at that. Boom. Oh, look at that, guys. That was beautiful. What a nice trade there. So looks like I'm up 316 in 2 accounts. Look at this, guys. Whoa. Whoo. Beautiful. That's what I'm talking about there. Getting onto the stream late, waiting for that inverted fair value gap, waiting for the retest of the fair value gap, inverted fair value gap, and then getting in short here with a, 77 TP, 75 stop. Beautiful trade there. Drawing liquidity down to this 15-minute bullish fair value gap. And yeah, boom, just like that. Just like that. That was a killer trade. So, I think I may have crossed over. So I got this, I was trading, I hope I didn't put too much profit in this elite daily eval. What's the max? Okay, there's a 40% consistency. I don't have to worry. I was like, because I had, so I made 316 in one account, and I have 750 now in the daily eval account. So that puts me at 750 for 40% consistency. I think is about 1200. Yeah, 1200. So I still have some room in there for that I don't blow the consistency out of the water. Good to know, good to know. Yeah, so here's the top one futures. 305 in this account. This one's up 750. Here's the other guy. This is my funded account. This one's up 320. Nice little trade there. Love it when it ends the trade like that. Just straight down. You're looking for 770 or 7760 on ES. So you in a short, or are you looking to buy that? Because that looks like previous day's VWAP. So that's my Tuesday New York VWAP anchored VWAP is right at 7,760 here. See right there, 77. This one here anchored at the 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time from from Tuesday, and then right to their 77.60. Hey yo, hey yayo, how are you, Mr. Sahasa? Sahasa. I like that. It's hard to say, but I like it. Big Teflon at Wrong Changer missed trade. Big Teflon. 12 people in YouTube, 3 people in X this morning. How we all doing, everybody? How we all doing? I'm feeling pretty good now. Got to the charts late. Just caught a $300 banger on 2 accounts. So up $600 this morning. I mean, in the trade Zella, I'm only gonna be showing plus 320 because the one's in eval, but it's all good. It's all good. Kind of wish I copy traded all my accounts for that trade. Wow, that would have been nice. Should have. After a win, we all wish the same, right? I know. Well, we did bounce up from that low. Bounce off the overnight previous day's New York VWAP here. Back up to this bearish fair value gap that we had left. So that might be the end of the move lower here. I don't know. We'll have to see. We didn't. Did we tap? We did tap those lows, didn't we? Though the pre-market low. Did we quite get? We didn't quite get there all the way. Eh? Found support here at this VWAP.
On the boulevard, so things catch up eventually. Street lights dancing on an empty lane, carrying lessons carved out of the pain. People wear smiles like a perfect disguise, but every shadow tells a different side. No need to settle every score tonight. Time has a way of making wrongs look right. Truth comes around.
Wow, look at that. All the way back up into that inverted fair value gap here. Is that going to be the end of the push lower here? Let's see.
But the echoes always find you in the night. What you give away finds its way back home. Sooner or later, nobody walks alone. Watch promises fade like smoke in the air. Empty conversations going nowhere. I stopped carrying weight that wasn't mine. Let tomorrow draw its own straight line. I don't wish the worst on anyone I knew. Life writes endings, none of us can choose. The wheel keeps turning, whether fast or slow. And every seed becomes the crop you grow. Truth comes around, steady as the tide. Nothing stays forever left behind. Every move becomes another page. Every lesson written with age.
Might be okay. Yeah, might be. I don't know. But you were hoping for a deeper pullback. Yeah, this could still go back lower. This could have been a valid entry on the retest again on this bearish fair value gap. Because they're making so far it looks like they're making a lower high. The GX on SPY suggests lower on ES. Okay. The GEX. Possibly. Yeah, that was a nice trade. Boom. We gobbled up those orders at 800 and then started bounced from there. So 70 point bounce off of the 800 lows though. Wow.
Midnight on the boulevard. Things catch up eventually.
Street lights dancing on an empty lane. Carrying lessons carved out of the pain. People wear smiles like
That's so funny. Hey guys, on Proffer Match, there's Erkan, Abby, and Zach. They're all on there. Erkan's in the exact trade that I took, except for my TP hit. I think he's targeting a lower gap, but he literally entered in the same spot as me, like on the inverted fair value gap. Damn, is this thing, looks like it's just, we got back in that inverted fair value gap and now we're heading straight back down here.
Watch promises fade like smoke in the air. Empty conversations going nowhere. I stopped carrying weight that wasn't mine. Let tomorrow draw its own straight line. I don't wish the worst on anyone I knew. Life writes endings, none of us can choose. The wheel keeps turning, whether fast or slow. And every seed becomes the crop you grow. Truth comes around, steady as the tide. Nothing stays forever left behind. Every move becomes another page. Every lesson written with age. You can lock the door, change your name, but yesterday still remembers the game. Windows down, let the cool wind speak. Found more strength inside than I would see. No revenge living rent free in my head. Peace is worth more than the words unsaid. Drive slow.
All right, so that fair value gap, they did leave this little fair value gap here. Let's see if this one is going to continue to reject.
Keeps moving, and the truth always catches up.
Cruise easy. Midnight on the boulevard. Things catch up eventually.
Street lights dancing on an empty
I'm kind of
lane.
interested here on this fair value gap now on the 1 minute.
People wear smiles
Let's
like
see
a
if it
perfect
fits on there on any.
but
We
every
don't really
shadow
have it
tells
on
a
any
different
other.
side.
Well, we have it
No
on the
need to
5 minute
settle every
time frame
score
here,
tonight.
3 minute, and the
Time has
5.
a way of making
No,
wrongs
not on
look
the 5.
right.
Only a
Truth
3.
comes around, you can't outrun the sound. Every choice leaves footprints on the ground. You can chase the wind, disappear from sight, but the echoes always find you in the night. What you give away finds its way back home. Sooner or later, nobody walks alone.
Just watching here. I was gonna see how this candle ends up playing out here before I make an entry.
Watch promises fade like smoke in the air.
I'm a little worried that we're gonna go back higher here. This price is a little unpredictable, to be honest.
I don't wish the worst on anyone I knew. Life writes endings, none of us can choose. The wheel keeps turning, whether fast or slow. And every seed becomes the crop you grow. Truth comes around, steady as the tide. Nothing stays forever left behind. Every move becomes another page. Every lesson written with age. You can
Volume divergence up and down. We're in a range. It's true, it's true.
remembers the game. Windows down, let the cool wind speak. Found more strength inside than I would seek. No revenge living rent free in my head. Peace is worth more than the words unsaid. Drive slow, head high. Leave the past where it belongs. The road keeps moving, and the truth always catches up.
Well, hopefully I don't regret this here. I did get in.
Cruise easy. Midnight on the boulevard. Some things catch up eventually.
Street lights dancing on an empty lane, carrying lessons carved out of the pain. People wear smiles like a perfect disguise, but every shadow tells a different side. No need to settle every score tonight. Time has a way of making wrongs look right. Truth
Jeez,
comes around,
starting to rip here.
every choice leaves footprints on the ground.
Not liking that. I think I might need to cut this thing right away, actually.
The echoes always find you in the night. What you give away finds its way back home. Sooner
Give
or
it a
later,
second here.
nobody walks alone. Watch promises fade like smoke in the air. Empty conversations going nowhere. I stopped carrying weight that wasn't mine.
Don't really like the 5-minute closure on that candle.
Wait for confirmation.
Come on, bears. Push it back down here. We got it. We got back into the inverted fair value gap. Now let's just react off of that and go lower.
Coffee's hot, the screens ignite. Blue and gold before first light. Yesterday is in the past. This one's built to finally last. Economic calendar. Every level marks.
Come on. Don't do it.
Nothing's moving, nothing's wrong. The patient
Not looking good.
stay strong.
Come on, bears. Here we go. Come on, Bears, slap it down. I'm probably going to go break even relatively quick on this trade if we can get back into profit a little bit. This is my Take Profit Trader Pro account. Not looking to take a loss, hopefully, so I'm willing to take a break even, but we need to get about like 5-10 points into profit here first before I'm going to hit that break even button. Come on, Bears. Uh-oh. Not liking that. Not liking that, guys. Come on, Bears. Usually rooting for the Bulls, but today rooting for the Bears. We're below the VWAP. We're below point of control. We're below previous day or start of day VWAP. Kind of banking on us making a lower high here. But we need to make a new lower low. Looking for about 50 points to the downside here. Come on, guys, break it. Keep going. We need to sweep this low. If we can get below the 200 EMA here, sitting at 846, that would be real nice. Come on, rip right through the 46s here. Let's go. Come on. 46 is being a bit of a roadblock here. So I'm taking off, I took off half there, guys, and I'm gonna go down to 1 micro here and go break even on this last micro. I'll be looking to take profit. I'll just manually close it if we get all the way down here to the 807s. Just rather lock in a W here. Come on, boys, let's go. Let's get us back down here, down to the 800s. Got my finger on the exit button here. So I locked in about $35 there, and then hopefully we're gonna get another little bit here. 46, 54, 56, 46. I could go +5. Let's go. We'll lock in at least 5 points. We need that 200 EMA to now be resistance. Looks like it might stop me here. Edged my order. Come on, Bears, hold it down. There we go. There we go. Gonna go break even +10 now. We can sweep that low. Keep going here. Okay, I'm gonna add a little more on my stop. I'm just gonna trail this down here a bit. There we go. Locking in some more. Might get a stop here. Let's see. Come on, let's go. Keep going. 35, 40. Taking it. Beautiful trade. Cancel orders here. Woo! Awesome. Big Teflon. Mustang's actually still live in the pre-market stream, I think. So Two W's here now. Just locked in another 135 in the Take Profit Trader Pro account. Beautiful, beautiful. Two trades, two winners. So I'm up what 420 and two funded accounts. Speaking of them, there you go. Hey Nick, good morning.
Hey, good morning, sunshine.
I'm a little late this morning.
Yeah, I was doing the pre-market stream. I didn't even realize, like, I found out that you had started a little bit late, and I was like, I'm in the middle of these trades. I'll get over there when I get there.
Yeah, for sure. I caught a couple bangers already here. I've shorted twice now off of this 15-minute inverted fair value gap idea. And
Good deal.
yeah, I locked in 320 on two top one futures accounts, and then I locked in just now 135 in my Take Profit Trader Pro account. So
Very nice.
yeah, it's been decent morning. It's kind of good to be late for once. Got to
Hey,
like
you know
not
what?
get
You
caught
started
in the
trading
wrong.
after the opening range was set, and you did well.
Yeah, it was after initial balance was set. Actually, that's when I showed up. Was right.
Oh,
Initial
okay.
balance was just set 1 hour in. So yeah, so pretty decent morning so far. So
Good. So I took 6 winners and then 2, 1 loser, and then one that
Wow.
was half a loss.
the market just took a nosedive there, right through the 800s, all the way down to 761.
Boy,
Well, sounds like you had a decent morning too then.
yeah, I'm up about 380 per account.
Wow, nice.
So this basket's doing pretty well right now.
Yeah, very good.
Been trading real small size though. Added into a couple of trades. Just trying to keep it light
Yeah,
and fluffy.
today
Yeah,
doesn't
just
seem
like
like
me.
the day to be going heavy duty anyways.
Yeah, not even by a little bit.
Butcher live. We're not here to gamble. We're here to survive. I don't need a home run. I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. Ink sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait.
Wayne, you're long one MES on the volume spike.
$36, yeah, I'm cashing that out. You want big wins? Cool. Take
One ES, sorry, volume spike.
base hits. 6 in the chat, yeah, we just went live. Somebody woke up only 4 hours, barely alive.
Ooh, Zach's trade almost got tagged there on that push down, and now look at prices just going straight back up here.
You know what I mean? Miss my entry by a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself, let's be patient then. Try to get filled, but it ran away. Now I'm sitting here like, should I chase? No way. Pull back gang, yeah, that's my lane. Chasing highs and NQ, that's straight pain. Got banned on X for some random clip. Chuck Norris kicked me right out of the app real quick. Now I'm back on stream like it's all good, bro. Market's still open, let's get this. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. Ink sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. Little green trades, yeah, we building that amount. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. Couple base hits. We'll take that.
I just put my short in with 3 micros.
Yeah. Market Butcher live. We're not here to gamble. We're here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. Ink sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the
Yeah, I don't think that we're definitely not looking bullish at the moment. I don't know.
I'll be over here just
Not so much.
Buyers have been trying to defend this area, but
somebody woke up only 4 hours, barely alive. Oil going up in the net.
definitely looking like it wants to go lower. We do have some other draws on liquidity down below too. We did just tap that bullish fair value gap from the 15 on pre-market, or from yesterday's price action, but we do have
Gotcha.
a couple more below that. 735 and 720 on the downside there. We got a couple more bullish fair value gaps, which are going to be a decent draw on liquidity. The volumes, oh, the volume's up a bit. Oh, a bit low, sorry. Let me just, I'll get rid of that banner. Usually I have it set up different for for when me and Nick are on here, so that it's but there you go, Wayne, you should be able to see the volume now. Wayne always likes to see my volume on the chart.
Yeah,
he's
Wayne's
like-
the reason why I put volume on my chart too.
Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, he likes to see the volume. I don't feel like, I think this is a little too early for that song.
Yeah, a little bit.
I thought Wayne was like, Dave, move your volume up. I can't hear the song. It's like, no, that's not what he said. He wants the volume profile. The candle volume showing. Tape reader Alex hit 77.64 in ES, pretty close to your target. Are you in that short still? Or is that your long target? He was he called out the target earlier about 7,760 on ES, which is like exactly yesterday's New York VWAP, anchored VWAP location.
Okay.
So I was like, okay, yeah, that's a good target. Oh, you're going long there. Oh, damn. So he wanted to go long from that level. I gotta boil some water. I'll be right back.
Do
Need
it.
some tea.
Just took my 6 micro long at that -2 deviation.
Had to throw on the sweater. Looks like you got a bit of a different angle on your workshop this morning. Camera angle?
Oh yeah, I moved my seat.
Oh, gotcha. Israel and several Gulf countries are holding talks to promote alternative solutions for exporting oil and gas through the routes that bypass the Strait of Hormuz and the Bab el-Mandeb Strait. I'm pretty sure I saw that, like, was it Dubai? Dubai had started building a pipeline to bypass the Strait of Hormuz.
That's not a shocker.
Those guys are quick to act, you know. In Canada, it'd probably take about 7 years to get that approved. If ever. If ever.
Yeah.
Looks like your short's kind of playing out here nicely. Were you on?
I just took profit on I just took a profit on long.
Oh, okay.
Off that -2 deviation band.
Oh, gotcha. Ultimately, countries will work on alternatives to, yeah, routes. Profit drives the motive and find an alternate route. Yeah, long term, that should be a good thing. What's that? Canada's slowness, or putting in the pipeline tape reader? Their hot water's ready. Yeah, for sure, right? Tape reader? Yeah, I totally agree. Kind of add a little bit more stability for oil supply. They can get it past the Strait of Hormuz.
Stability? Who cares about that?
How are we gonna make money on stability?
That's insane. Absolute insanity.
What's up? Good evening. We just getting loud right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go. Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. NQ moving wild while the volume low key. Oil going up, but the Nasdaq too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles, yeah, you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but
Well, I'm wondering if this thing's gonna keep going here. Looking like it's looking pretty heavy, like it wants to go lower. So I haven't taken any trades in my Lucid Flex accounts. I'm so proud of myself making money on shorts today.
Look at you.
Yeah.
Shorting like a pro.
Yeah, that inverted 15, like we had that bullish 15-minute fair value gap from pre-market that came on at 7 a.m. The pump up at the 7 a.m. So when we inverted that, I just waited for a retest. And so far we've retested it twice now and made a decent moves lower. I did get a little stressed out on my second trade though, because I went with a tighter stop and a tighter TP, and it did get relatively close to my stop loss, but it played out. So
Hate it when that happens.
Yeah, I entered on a bearish fair value gap. I should have actually just waited for another retest of that inverted fair value gap. But I did have my stop above it, so that's kind of the invalidation zone anyways. Yeah, short the pull-ups in a down move. Yes, you're right, Wayne. I kind of expected us to have a bit of a day like this though, after like that, you know, the pre-market action. Like we were just
the all-time highs getting hit through the overnight, and then again at the beginning of the New York session.
Yeah, on ES, right? Yeah.
I don't know, man. Yesterday was just a ripper to the upside.
Oh yeah, but that's why we usually get some sort of like sideways action, like not really
sideways or a pullback.
Yeah, yeah, that's true. Often there's a nice pullback too. So they're just kind of like It's good. It's healthy for the price though. If it wants to go higher, if it's gonna do this, right?
Yeah.
Kind of, they're like like the big dogs are accumulating a bunch of shares here and there. So nice pump here on this newest 5-minute candle. Straight up from 810 all the way to 860 there, 50-point ripper. So Zach was short from, I think, pre-market, 1 micro.
Really?
He didn't stop it out on that huge pump. And then it's in profit now. He's targeting, what level would that be? He's targeting somewhere down around 29,700, I would say.
He really does love holding those trades for
Wassel,
way longer than I have the intestinal fortitude to do it.
right? He's been holding it for what now, like 2 hours?
At least.
Yeah.
Only time I've ever held trades for that long is when they're immediate winners and just going in a strong trend.
Yeah. Just going up and up and up and up. No news Monday ripper, basically. 2 hours. Plus
essentially.
straight. No reason to stop. Just keeps grinding slowly higher for hours.
Those are the trades I like.
Wayne says Green Delta, thank you market. Lafta, you like Green Day? That's your favorite band? Once ES hits London low, you got out. Nice.
I don't think Green Day is his favorite. I think he said he just likes Green Days.
I know, I'm just giving him a hard time.
I'm not looking at the chat right now. I'm
He did say he's like another Green Day. They're not my favorite band, that's for sure. Look at that gold ripper. Crazy move, really. I need to actually get the proper MGC1, I guess. Yeah, nice move on gold there. Opened up at around 42.57, 4,257. Now we're at 43.16. So basically 50 points up. The Great Wall of China is holding this price down here currently on NQ 29,845 area, showing some resistance.
ES is showing a little resistance at 770. I'm sorry, a little support, not resistance. You in anything right now, or are you just waiting patiently?
Yeah, I'm just waiting patiently here. I just kind of stuck in this consolidation range here, so still looking pretty decent for the bears in my opinion. Just we have made a couple lower highs there, and we did make a new lower low, so everything's looking pretty good for the bears at the moment.
Yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this. Funded accounts, yeah, we thrive, kids. Slow and steady, that's the mindset. Just stacking up these base hits. Would let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures while they eating food. Stack it up, stack it up. Stack it up. Stack it up, don't blow the account. One bad trade and you're tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hit and quit. MNQ crazy, but quick, stop, get swept. Yeah, that's good. Stay alive, that's the real win. Then tomorrow, we trade again. Alright, guys. Couple base hits. We'll take that. Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting loud right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go. Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. MNQ moving wild while the volume low.
So I'm looking for shorts, so you know the price is going to go up now.
I don't trust you. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles, yeah, you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking wild, saying financial statements. Miss the entry by a tick pain. Almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market, take it, market's even. I'm just stacking little basics. Yeah. 36 bucks, don't waste it. MNQ sweep your stops, then it rips quick. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase highs, we wait pullbacks. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang, yeah, we stay lit. Just stacking up these base hits. Got banned on X cause of Chuck Norris clips. Didn't know that it'd get me hit with the blitz. Now I'm sitting here like what I do wrong, while the market keeps singing its song. Chat talking about KID in trades. Life advice, Mr. Scalp in plays. Someone sold early, now they regret. Man, I should've held. Yeah, we all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green, then 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before. Yeah. Everybody got a system.
Yeah, we're having trouble getting below, 800s, 29 800s here. Buyers seem that they're kind of trying to defend this. We're currently back over the 200 EMA. Now, if we can get a 15-minute closure above that inverted fair value gap, we would be above the point of control. I could definitely see us maybe going back to IB high as a potential target. But those other items are gonna have to happen first.
He said liquidity grab, yeah, I heard that line. Every wicked setup if you got enough time. But I seen good men lose trying to read them signs. Why the market kept moving like it's blind to design. Talking about they hunt your stops like it's all a game. Like some shadow in the dark really knows your name. I ain't saying it's fake, I ain't saying it's true. But if you risk too much, it'll humble you.
How about you guys in the chat? Are you guys taking anything? I mean, I'm not really that into trading in this little area now that we're kind of not really getting out of it. Not to say you can't make some money here in some trades, but
But this is a risky area.
Yeah, it's tightening up, and it's kind of a coin flip as whether or not the bulls or the bears win here.
ES is back to that -2. Seems to be a support level right there.
Yeah, VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease. FVG feel I move when I see no fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own. No shortcuts.
I'm thinking longs might end up being the way to go.
Just you.
A little bit longer term, not within this next 5 minutes or anything.
Yeah, we'll wait for some sort of confirmation, but yeah, they are kind of holding it pretty nicely here. They did sweep the pre-market low.
Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. The market. Another stop loss. Another lesson. Another chart. Another night. I walk alone the chart tonight. The only ones to go right. Through broken trend I left behind. Searching for the next setup I'll find. The VWAP faded far away. The value there is where I'll stay. The market whispers then it lies. Another fake out in disguise. And I know the candle doesn't care about my hopes or my prayers. I'm walking down the boulevard of broken trend lines, where every trader leaves a piece of their mind. The stock gets hit, but tomorrow I'll be fine. On the boulevard of broken trend lines. FVG VWAP, back to VWAP, back to me. Frank the Great Pirate sleeps by my side like he knows another trade just died. Ralph the Frenchie starts to snore. He's seen this movie all before. The screens are glowing in the dark. Another wick leaves another mark. But every loss becomes a guide for the
There we go. Bears stepping in here now. Again, that 200 EMA on the 5-minute chart seems to be pretty strong resistance. 29,845 area. Tape reader Alex says he's waiting for a more dumpage to get in long. Makes sense. Are you thinking about getting into a trade here?
Yeah, I'm thinking about longs here,
Or? Gotcha.
but I'm waiting.
Yeah. This 800 is also a key level for the bulls. So Force Fed goes, Nick looks like he's in the dungeon, giving off put the lotion in the basket vibes.
It puts the lotion on its body or it gets the hose again. And that is definitely my vibe.
So we just got some news. It's not a red flag or anything, red folder one, or like on, you know how they mark them red if they're bigger
Yeah.
on financial news. It's Arab sources reporting a missile attack on Bahrain. Mayor News.
Oh, great. Not what I wanted to hear while I'm looking for longs.
Wayne says, Alex, are you waiting for the selling climax?
Base hit sack, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill, then we press it. MNQ wild, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows that high, that lows. No stress, risk management, that's success. Look, NQ moving mad, that whip's too fast. One fake break and it spins right back. Man said long at the highs, now fam, wait for the pullback. Stick to the plan.
Yeah, I don't know. I other than me having the VWAP at that 7,760 level, which Alex is interested in, and we do have a bullish fair value gap also from the New York session at, you know, the middle of that is 7,757. So there is a little bit of confluences there. There's a couple support levels. Hey Michael, good morning. Probably not morning for you though, is it? Exhaustion candles are fun. Got to be patient though. Trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Base hit stack, get a growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill, then we press it. NQ wild, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows that highs, that lows. No stress, risk management, that's success. Market butcher, Mustang trader, base hits only. Trade like an adult. Yeah. Let me tell you a story. NQ finding support there at the 800s now, so it's a battle.
Yeah, I just put in a 3 micro long at 77.68.
Okay, nice.
So I'm underwater on that right now, but
Chat's going crazy. Everybody got an opinion. Everybody suddenly Warren Buffett. One guy says,
yeah, I'm cutting this.
guy says, massive crashing coming. Meanwhile,
Yeah, that candle is looking a little heavy at the moment.
It's a little bit of a bearish candle there.
that's what everybody says.
And all the indices are kind of working together currently at, you know, at least on this current candle. They're all looking similar. But man, how's YM this morning? That gold is looking really good.
I love traders. Traders are hilarious. A trader will spend
But it's also pulling back.
strategy back testing, forward testing,
Yeah, YM looks the most bullish this morning, that's for sure. Holy.
drinking green tea, then lose all self-control because
Like it's still well above the opening price of the New York session.
with a mortgage arguing with a candlestick. Frank the Great Pyrenees never revenge traded, not once. Ralph the French Bulldog never moved a stop loss, never averaged down, never bought a boner candle. Those dogs got a higher win rate than half the internet, and they asleep. Just one more trade. That's what everybody says. Just one more trade before they blow the day. Just one more trade before the discipline fades. Just one more trade. Famous.
Michael says evening's coming up. Yeah, that's what I thought. I'm like, I'm pretty sure it's late for you and not
Nobody agrees, nobody leaves. That's the funny part. You ever
not morning. I'm saying good morning from here.
Nobody stops trading. It's like dating a crazy ex.
We got Dave, Senior Sleepyhead over here.
You still answer
Yeah, you know, it's just one of those days where like my alarm was going off. It just didn't wake me up. Like
You
just
just
going
couldn't be
off
bothered.
and going off and going off. And yeah,
I get it.
I
I've had
actually
those
woke up.
days.
Yeah, I actually woke up because Ralph was like shaking his head. I heard that and I was like, oh. And I looked over and like, oh my god, it's already 7 something. 7:20
All
or
right,
something.
so I'm in an NQ short right now at 29,800. Oh, I'm sorry, 29,799.
Oh, nice.
I got my stop loss and break even +5.
Nice. Yeah, looking like it's trying to go lower here now.
9 micros.
Ooh, sheesh. That's nice.
You probably shouldn't beat fades out. Just one more trade.
Sorry, I gotta use a washroom. Be right back, guys.
Let me tell you a story about traders and bad decisions. Actually, it's mostly bad decisions. I was sitting there watching NQ like a grown man watching a squirrel. You know it ain't supposed to be interesting, but somehow we can't stop looking. Chat's going crazy. Everybody got an opinion. Everybody suddenly Warren Buffett. One guy says
ATH tomorrow.
other guy says massive crash incoming. Meanwhile, NQ just sitting there, confused as hell. Just one more trade. That's what everybody says. Just one more trade before they blow the day. Just one more trade before the discipline fades. Just one more trade. Famous.
Made $100 on that. It stopped me out.
I love traders. Traders are hilarious. A trader will spend 6 months building a strategy, back testing, forward testing, journaling, reading books, watching videos, meditating, drinking green tea, then lose all self-control because one candle looked disrespectful. One candle, that's all it takes. A grown man with a mortgage arguing with a candlestick. Frank the Great Pyrenees never revenge traded, not once. Ralph the French Bulldog never moved a stop loss, never averaged down, never bought a boner candle. Those dogs got a higher win rate than half the internet, and they asleep. Just one more trade. That's what everybody says. Just one more trade before they blow the day. Just one more trade before the discipline fades. Just one more trade. Famous last words. And somebody in chat says
NQ dirty.
everybody agrees, nobody leaves. That's the funny part. You ever notice that?
Everybody knows NQ dirty.
Nobody stops trading. It's like dating a crazy ex. You know exactly what's gonna happen. You still answer the phone. The Mustang trader draws the levels. Beautiful levels, professional levels, institutional levels. Price touches it perfectly, bounces perfectly, works perfectly. And some guy in chat says, yeah, but I entered over here. Brother, why? The level was right there. It was literally on the screen. Oil slippery, gold heavy, nat gas explosive. In your account, emotional. Then the duck race starts, and suddenly the smartest trader in the room believes his duck has edge. Now we're doing technical analysis on cartoon ducks. A grown man yelling, "Come on, Gary!" at a plastic duck. And honestly, it's probably the most profitable thing he did all week. Market butcher, Mustang trader, Frank, Ralph, Yo Jim Blab, Misk, the whole gang. See you tomorrow. And remember, if you say just one more trade, you probably shouldn't beat fades out. Just one more trade. Yeah. Let me tell you a story about traders and bad decisions. Actually, it's mostly bad decisions. I was sitting there watching NQ like a grown man watching a squirrel. You know it ain't supposed to be interesting, but somehow you can't stop looking. Chat's going crazy. Everybody got an opinion. Everybody suddenly Warren Buffett. One guy says
ATH tomorrow.
other guy says massive crash incoming. Meanwhile, NQ's just sitting there, confused as hell. Just one more trade. That's what everybody says. Just one more trade before they blow the day. Just one more trade before the discipline fades. Just one more trade. Famous last words. I love traders. Traders are hilarious. A trader will spend 6 months building a strategy, back testing, forward testing, journaling, reading books, watching videos, meditating.
Alright, anybody else in the trade right now?
Lose all self-control because one candle looked disrespectful. One candle, that's all it takes. A grown man with a mortgage arguing with a candlestick. Frank the Great Pyrenees never revenge traded, not once. Ralph the French Bulldog never moved a stop loss, never averaged down, never bought a boner candle. Those dogs got a higher win rate than half the internet, and they asleep. Just one more trade. That's what everybody
Alright.
says.
Who's thinking longs? Who's thinking shorts on NQ?
Before they blow the day. Just one more trade before the discipline fades. Just one more trade. Famous last words. And somebody in chat says
NQ dirty.
everybody agrees, nobody leaves. That's the funny part. You ever notice that?
Everybody knows NQ dirty.
Nobody stops trading. It's like dating a crazy ex. You know exactly what's gonna happen. You still answer the phone. The Mustang trader draws the levels. Beautiful levels.
Bro, what the hell just happened there?
Levels. Price touches it perfectly. Bounces perfectly. Works perfectly. And some guy in chat says, yeah, but I entered over here. Brother, why? The level was right there. It was literally on the screen. Oil slippery. Gold heavy. Nat gas explosive. In your account, emotional.
Michael, you're confused?
Then the duck
Welcome to the club. I'm always confused.
smartest trader in the room believes his duck has edge. Now we're doing technical analysis on cartoon ducks. A grown man yelling, "Come on, Gary!" at a plastic duck. And honestly, it's probably the most profitable.
Looking at the book map right now, all the orders are sitting underneath the current price until you get up to 30,000. And then we got larger blocks of orders up there.
The whole gang. See you tomorrow. And remember, if you say just one more trade, you probably shouldn't beat fades out. Just one more trade. Yeah. Let me tell you a story about traders and bad decisions. Actually, it's mostly bad decisions. I was sitting there watching NQ like a grown man watching a squirrel. You know,
I did just put in a 6 micro short
can't stop looking. Chat's going crazy.
at 750.
Everybody suddenly Warren Buffett. One guy says
ATH tomorrow.
other guy says massive crash incoming. Meanwhile,
Break even
NQ
plus
just
2
sitting
in.
there, confused as hell. Just one more trade. That's what everybody said. Just one more
Alright, I got my 2 points on those.
blow the day.
Came back up and stopped me out.
One more trade before the discipline fades.
Definitely getting a little more momentum to the downside here.
Yeah, a little bit.
Last words.
Until I said that.
Traders are hilarious.
Yeah, and then it starts blowing up. Keep your mouth shut, Dave. What's wrong?
Sorry.
Forward testing, journaling, reading books, watching videos,
Just joke.
meditating, drinking green tea, then
Yes, sir.
lose all self-control because one candle looked disrespectful. One candle, that's all it takes. A grown man with a mortgage arguing with a
Force fed, were you making fun of me going to the bathroom? Is that what you did? I'm confused. Don't know Nick. Pull up shorts working in this down move so far. Is that like the special shorts that you wear, Wayne, when you're doing pull-ups at the gym?
Just one more trade before they blow the day. Just one Somebody in chat says
NQ dirty.
everybody agrees, nobody leaves. That's the funny part.
Angia, good morning.
Everybody knows NQ dirty.
Nobody stops trading. It's like dating a crazy ex. You know exactly
I
what's gonna
Be there in a minute.
I slept through my alarm,
Mustang
Angia.
across the levels.
I slept right through it.
Professional levels, institutional
Yes,
levels,
depends.
price
Oh,
levels,
depends. Okay, Wayne.
perfectly, works perfect.
Depends shorts.
Some guy in chat says, yeah, but I entered over here, brother. Why? The level was right there.
How's your morning going, Angia?
Screen. Oil slippery. Gold heavy. Net gas explosive.
Angie's having a great morning.
Emotional.
She's not trading
usual.
today.
When the duck race starts, and suddenly the smartest trader in the room believes his duck has edge. Now we're doing
Sleep is good? Yeah, it is. It's just not good when you're sleeping through your stream.
Had a plastic duck. And honestly, it's probably the most profitable thing.
Oh, Angia, you
Holy
did trade
shit.
the New York session? Oh, look at this push.
All right,
man.
my short is working out well.
Trader.
Got my break even plus 10 in.
Nice.
Got 12 micros in here right now.
The whole gang. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, 12 micros.
If you say just one more trade.
Uh-oh. Did, I wonder if Trader Alex took that long. Not looking, we didn't really find any support there, unfortunately.
Let me tell you a story.
You're gonna do less trades this week? Okay, Angia. You had your second upset trading day yesterday, like top two saddest days ever. Oh,
Oh no.
sorry to hear that. Oh, good job, Alex. I was like wondering, I'm like, that doesn't look like, I hope you didn't just like jump in on it, right? Because yeah, that candle just ripped right through the VWAP.
H tomorrow.
Good job.
Massive crashing.
All right, she took my $400.
Just sitting there.
Nice.
Confused as hell.
Are you is that a cash account or are you still copying up there?
No, I'm still copying this to 10 funded, or I'm sorry, it's
The discipline fades.
7 funded accounts, 3 emails.
Oh, nice.
Last word.
It is what it is. Let it be. Another day will begin. For sure. That's a great way to think about it.
Strategy back testing, forward testing.
Money's lost, but you can always get it back on the future.
Meditating, drinking,
Slow and steady.
lose all self-control because one candle looked disrespectful. One candle, that's all it takes. A grown man with a mortgage arguing with a can. Charge up, coffee hot, Bona candles loaded, Mustang trade in the pre-market. Market put you on the mic. Oil slippery, gold heavy, nat gas explosive. Less work. NQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. East session high while the chat this side. Bona candle print and the bears all high. Market but you can't keep the dream alive. Oil slippery, don't let it slide. Mustang trader got the levels all aligned. FVG flip and the FVG shine. Base hits only one trade at a time. Kai Donga yelling double top maybe. Next candle ripping market acting crazy. Now it's not. While the breakout fly. The nasty room ATH again tonight. Yo Jim Blab like
Zach's TP did get hit there on that last push lower. So this guy is so patient, man. I can't believe he waited that long.
The guy is an amazing trader.
throwing trophies in the crowd. Ain't
The Wassel is working real good for him.
chart. Execution sharp, gotta trust your art. Have and calling levels 81 too high. 585 break it while resistance dies. Small size, big dream, slow stack, no tilt. One micro today can become a house built. Mr. Move fine, don't chase the thrill. Cause revenge trades got a bigger bill. NQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. East session high while the chat decide. Bona candle print and the bears all hide. Market but you can't keep the dream alive. Oil slippery, don't let it slide.
Angia just loves the bearish market. Yeah.
Levels all aligned. FVG flip and the FVG shine. Base hits
You're good at a
yeah.
bear market.
at a time.
Wayne says, Angia, thanks for last week's 4-hour downtrend call.
Do ETF spy, then NQ sneeze right after mentioning it live. Everybody laughing while
Called
the
that out.
candles fly. Kyle like holiday snooze fest, maybe then like L. Dot Paul stream Joe going crazy. Don't forget your social number joke. Mother others made a name. Whole chat broke, Gary say Asia. Hard to trust, one micro feels too much. Real trader stuff. Coca-Cola like Warren Buffett.
Another 12 micro short in here at 755.50.
Whew.
I got my break even plus 5 in. Break even plus 10.
Just banking here.
Alright, made my 10 points.
Nice. That adds up.
Use code MBT every single night. Top one Lucid, funded dreams alive. One evil pass and the whole chat thrive. Chewy asking longer short from what? Answer, structure. FVG don't guess the setup. Vertical stream got different songs. Handlers asking playlists, where's it from? Kyle asked what AI made that beat. Meanwhile, market rips another 3 feet. NQ is dirty. And the whole chat knows, sometimes it dumps, sometimes moonshot goes, Mr. Move fine, another one shows, market but your gang, just stick to the flows. Oil slippery, gold heavy,
Nat gas.
if you ain't ready,
Oil slippery, nat gas explosive.
base hits forever, that's what.
Starting to sound like me.
It's that song. It's like AI picked all this stuff up and puts it into the songs.
Respect the stop.
No reason for longs today. Yep. The only long that you could have taken was the one from right before pre-market. There was a pretty nice one, right before market opened. Hey Tam, hi Tam. Sorry, how are you? Good morning. Good morning. I mean, I'm pretty content on the trading session so far. I'm looking for something really nice for a potential trade, but if not, I think I'm pretty content with just locking in the profits. I'm up about 450 in 2 trades, so pretty good.
All right, this short one in 6 micros at 29,733, and I got my 10 points locked in again.
Nice. Got a bunch of orders on the book map here at 700, which is 168 contracts.
I mean, no matter what, I'm taking 10 points off this, so...
Yeah.
Well, just took my 10 points.
Okay.
All right, so I think that is my last trade of the day.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's definitely my last trade of the day.
Hi Tam, you're fighting the bulls this morning? Was fighting the bulls this morning.
Speaking of fighting bulls, I'm gonna go put on my matador hat. All right, Dave, I think I'm done for the day. I've been doing this shit for 6 hours now.
Wow. Yeah, it's been a long session for you.
So, on that note, thank you everybody for playing with us, and I'm gonna get the heck out of here because I'm as tired as Dave was earlier.
Yeah.
David, give me a call later.
Thanks, Nick.
Have a good one. I'll see you in the morning.
Okay.
Are you streaming tonight by chance?
No, tonight's Wednesday, so we're off.
Ah, cool. Then you can wake up early and come in and play with me in the pre-market.
Yeah, I should. I gotta try to get to sleep at a decent time tonight.
Fair enough. All right, Doc. I will see you later, and everybody else, I'll see you at 7:30 tomorrow morning.
Thanks, Nick. Great job.
All right, have a good one.
You too. It was just us, gang. Mr. Mustang. Probably gonna go out and enjoy some beach time or some, you know, some fun times outside, away from the charts. We're getting there though. We're getting there. And yeah, thank you, Dad. See you tomorrow. That never gets old. You calling Nick Dad. Well, are they going to take these orders at 700 here? Looks like they're going to take these orders at 700 right now. Let's see. Well, did not get the orders to 700 yet. Is that going to be the support or what? They're going to have a new indicator for you tonight, Mr. Butcher? Oh, really? What is it? That's interesting. Is it called the sleep indicator? Go to bed at a good time indicator? We got no news tomorrow, but big news on Friday. Okay. Session delta profile. Auto resets each session and draws a delta profile. One of the best things I've made. Nice. Session delta profile. Interesting. We'll have to check it out. Oy. I shouldn't be so tired. Well, what can I do? So what's like, what is it, delta, like, it's kind of like the delta profile, like cumulative delta sort of? It's a little different than a volume profile, right? I've never actually used a delta profile before. I'm gonna show you sort of where higher interest is on the price levels. Double shot of espresso? Yeah. You can see where the order blocks are. I love Delta profile as well. Nice. Yeah, so far, high time, I've only been trading NQ. I took 2 shorts earlier. I took a short, this one right here. Entered short there, closed it. This one here earlier, actually. This was my first trade. I went short at 29,879. Closed it down here at 803. And then the second short I took was here. 29,857. Close this one down here. Or yeah, 1 micro there, the remaining micro down at this TP here. And we're just keeps going lower here. Keep going lower. So we got about 10 people in YouTube, 7 people in X this morning. Good morning, everybody on X. Good to see you. Anything can happen now that Asia session ended. Like that we took over the Asia, we like swept Asia lows. Oh yeah, anything can happen though, for sure.
Butcher live, Mustang, trader in the building, chat going crazy, let's ride. We don't chase tops, we wait, we relax. Base hit stacking, yeah, we build it like that. Add to the winners, yeah, that's our flow. Small size gang, but the account still grows. Bears outside, yeah, chickens in the yard, die. Still trading clean, still playing it smart. From the chat to the charts, yeah, we all in sync. Marky Butcher squad, yeah, we think, then we click, the recovery. Chat saw that move, somebody long, somebody short. Same groove, dang, that's a loser. Next trade's a W, we don't fold here, yo, we push right through. Half the chat short, other half long. Still hitting play, still singing the song. Nice trade, Butcher, yeah, we love that vibe. Hit the like button, keep the stream alive. Missed entry by 2 points, yeah, we been there. Nice pullback, gang waiting, sitting in the chair. Catching a knife, now we let it form. Then we step in calm while the market storms. Oil turning, crypto falling down. Still finding setups in the middle of the town. From Surrey to the Philippines online. Whole chat global, but we trade one.
So I got somebody messaged me asking about nice pump here. Hey guys, bouncing up pretty good. uh, asked me about how is how's the quality of your clothing on your store. And I pretty much like, oh, it's, I like pick the best quality shirts and stuff that are available to be able to print on. And then they finally got back to me, and they're trying to sell me like something to say like, oh, I can design your website better, blah blah blah. It's like, okay, thanks for wasting my time.
Market Butcher Live. Mustang, trader in the building. Chat going crazy. Let's ride.
We don't chase tops, we wait, we relax. Base hit stacking, yeah, we build it like that. Add to the winners, yeah, that's our flow. Small size gang, but the account still grows. Bears outside, yeah, chickens in the yard, die. Still trading clean,
Okay,
still
let's see
playing
here.
smart from the chat to the charts, yeah, we all in sync. Market Butcher Squad, yeah, we think, then we click. The recovery, yeah, chat saw that move. Somebody long, somebody short. Same groove, dang, that's a loser. Next trade's a W, we don't fold here, yeah, we push right through. Half the chat short of the half long. Still hitting play, still singing the song. Nice trade, Butcher, yeah, we love that vibe. Hit the like button, keep the stream alive. Missed entry by 2 points, yeah, we been there. Nice move back, gang, been sitting in the chair. Catching a knife, now we let it form. Then we step in calm while the market storms. Oil turning, crypto falling down. Still finding setups in the middle of the town. From Surrey to the Philippines online. Whole chat global, but we trade one mind. Past two evils, yeah, that's big wins. Still got runners, let the trend begin. Even when it's messy, we stay composed. No revenge trades, yeah, we stick to the code. We don't chase tops, we wait, we relax. Base hit stacking, yeah, we build it like that. Add to the winners, yeah, that's our flow. Small size gang, but the account still grows. Bears outside, yeah, chickens in the yard, die. Still trading clean, still playing it smart. From the chat to the charts, yeah, we all in sync. Market Butcher Squad, yeah, we think, then we click, yeah. Couple base hits, chat still rolling. Let's trade. Market Butcher Live. Mustang, trader in the building. Chat going crazy. Let's ride. We don't chase tops, we wait, we relax. Base hit stacking, yeah, we build it like that. Add to the winners, yeah, that's our flow. Small size gang, but the account still grows. Bears outside, yeah, chickens in the yard, die. Still trading clean, still playing it smart. From the chat to the charts, yeah, we all in sync. Market Butcher Squad, yeah, we think, then we click. The recovery, yeah, chat saw that move. Somebody long, somebody short. Same groove, dang, that's a loser. Next trade's a W, we don't fold here, yeah, we push right through. Half the chat short of the half long. Still hitting play, still singing the song. Nice trade, Butcher, yeah, we love that vibe. Hit the like button, keep the stream alive. Missed entry by 2 points, yeah, we been there. Nice move back, gang, waiting, sitting in the chair. Catching a knife, now we let it form. Then we step in calm while the market storms. Oil turning, crypto falling down. Still finding setups in the middle of the town. From Surrey to the Philippines online. Whole chat global, but we trade one mind. Past two evils, yeah, that's big wins. Still got runners, let the trend begin. Even when it's messy, we stay composed. No revenge trades, yeah, we stick to the code. We don't chase tops, we wait, we relax. Base hit stacking, yeah, we build it like that. Add to the winners, yeah, that's our flow. Small size gang, but the account still grows. Bears outside, yeah, chickens in the yard, die. Still trading clean, still playing it smart. From the chat to the charts, yeah, we all in sync. Market Butcher Squad, yeah, we think, then we
Popping back up here still, continuing a bounce.
base hits. Chat still rolling. Let's trade. Market Butcher Live. Mustang.
Oh, okay, let me I'll show you that right now.
Going crazy. Let's ride.
I'll have to keep updating that. Sometimes it gets old and it I just copy it from a previous one, but I'll post it right here now. And I will go in and edit that actually, just so that when I do copy these the write-ups and stuff, it'll update it for the future. Let's see. So this one here. Go to live.
Same groove. Dang, that's a loser. Next trade's a W. We don't fold here, yo, we push right through. Half the chat short.
What a bounce here, guys and gals. Are we gonna go higher here? It's a question.
Keep the stream alive. Missed entry by 2 points. Yeah, we been there. Nice pull back gang waiting, sitting in the chair. Catching a knife. Now we let it form. Then we step in calm while the market storms. Oil turning, crypto falling down. Still finding setups in the middle of the town. From Surrey to the Philippines online. Whole chat global, but we trade one mind. Past two evils, yeah, that's big wins. Still got runners, let the trend begin. Even when it's messy, we stay composed. No revenge trades, yeah, we stick to the code. We don't chase tops.
Nvidia pumped? Okay, yeah, I think we'll just mass text to many creators. My buddy gets hit up all the time on his YouTube channel with nonsense offers. Yeah, I never really know who to trust. Like even some people in the chat, like they're in the stream chat, and they're like, "Hey, I can help you build your Discord and stuff." And it's like the guy just showed up out of nowhere, and I don't know him at all, and he's kind of like, "Oh, I can help you." And it's like, do I really want to give access to somebody to control the Discord? I don't know, you know. Kind of like need to get somebody who's like referred by somebody or something like that, right? Not just a random not just a random guy.
We don't chase tops, we wait, we relax. Base hit stacking, yeah, we build it like that. Add to the winners, yeah, that's our flow. Small size gang, but the account still grows. Bears outside, yeah, chickens in the yard, die. Still trading clean, still playing it smart. From the chat to the charts, yeah, we all in sync. Marky Butcher squad, yeah, we think, then we click. The recovery, yeah, chat saw that move.
Just trying to like take a look at what's above here. There could be a potential draw on liquidity. I don't see any huge orders above, although the orders above are looking a little bit thicker than the ones below, just relatively close to the price here. Maybe up at 30,000 there's going to be some orders. So yeah, we got 127 contracts up at 30,000. But we also have 145 contracts down at 29,700. And 119 at 600. ES is still below value area low. I guess you're looking at the developing volume area low, right? Because my previous day value area low, is 7,689. So quite a bit below where we are. Hopefully the yawns aren't addictive. But we'll see how this next few minutes plays out here. But I'm thinking about ending the stream here. I had a pretty decent morning considering I'm late. Hung out for an extra hour though to make sure that we are here. So I basically took 3 trades. Well, 2 trades, one in my TPT Pro, and then one in my Top 1 Futures accounts, but it was copied over 2 accounts. So not all my profits are showing up because I am up 750 in one evaluation from Top 1 Futures. So technically I'm up about 1150 on the day, 1,150. But here's my funded accounts anyways. This is what it's looking like so far on the week. So 68, 118, 910, and now 452.
Chickens in the yard, die. Still trading clean, still playing
squad. Yeah, we think, then we click.
Wondering if this is going to be the next lower high. Short pull up. Short 3 MES. 3-minute MES.
Market butcher live. Mustang, trader in the building. Chat going crazy. Let's ride.
Yeah, pretty nice little pullback there.
We don't chase tops, we wait, we relax. Base hit stacking, yeah, we build it like that. Add to the winners, yeah, that's our flow. Small size gang, but the account still grows. Bears outside, yeah, chickens in the yard, die. Still trading clean, still playing it smart. From the chat to the charts, yeah, we all in sync. Marky Butcher squad, yeah, we think, then we click. The recovery, yeah, chat saw that move. Somebody long, somebody short. Same groove, dang, that's a loser. Next trade's a W. We don't fold here, yeah, we push right through. Half the chat short of the half long. Still hitting play, still singing the song. Nice trade, Butcher, yeah, we love that vibe. Hit the like button, keep the stream alive.
Seems like they're trying to hold this 800 level here with this bullish fair value gap lining up with it here.
Catching a knife, now we let it form. Then we step in calm while the market storms. Oil turning, crypto falling down. Still finding setups in the middle of the town. From Surrey to the Philippines online. Whole chat global, but we trade one mind. Past two evils, yeah, that's big wins. Still got runners, let the trend begin. Even when it's messy, we stay composed. No revenge trades, yeah, we stick to the code. We don't chase tops, we wait, we relax. Base hit stacking, yeah, we build it like that. Add to the winners, yeah, that's our
This could be the high, next lower high though, guys. So I kind of have the urge to go long here, but I'm just gonna sit on my hands because not really loving it, and this could just, you know, head back down to the lows. So this one was a 15-minute, right? Yeah, 15-minute. Did we get a closure below that? We did. And then we've closed above it again. So this guy is pretty much an invalid fair value gap now. So
We don't chase tops, we wait, we relax. Base hit stacking, yeah, we build it like that. Add to the winners, yeah, that's our flow. Small size gang, but the account still grows. Bears outside, yeah, chickens in the yard, die. Still trading clean, still playing it smart. From the chat to the charts, yeah, we all in sync. Marky Butcher squad, yeah, we think, then we click. The recovery, yeah, chat saw that move. Somebody long, somebody short. Same groove, dang, that's a loser. Next trade's a W. We don't fold here, yeah, we push right through. Half the chat short of the half long. Still hitting play, still singing the song. Nice trade, Butcher, yeah, we love that vibe. Hit the like button.
yeah, guys, you know what? I think I'm gonna just wrap the stream up here. You know, I'm green on the day. Pretty nice session so far.
Let it form, then we step in calm while the market storms. Oil turning, crypto falling down. Still finding setups in the middle of the town.
So let's do our little shout out here. Thank you for tuning in on the stream, guys. I appreciate it. We'll be back live tomorrow morning for market open.
Runners, let the trend begin.
Let me just bring up the people who are top chats here. We'll do our little shout out.
Wait, we relax. Base hit stacking, yeah, we build it like that. Add to the winners, yeah.
Yes. Thank you, everybody. Big Teflon, Wayne, Tape Reader, Alex, Wrong Trade, Jim, Stefan, Partrici, High Tam, Angia, Forcefed, Metalhead, Michael Krog, Puran, Mick Riker, Lafta, Ryan Entourage, Vicky Luffy, Amsahasa, yep, and Tim Core. Thank you. God bless you and your family also too, Angia.
We don't chase tops, we wait, we relax.
Thanks for hanging out. Appreciate you guys supporting the stream. And yeah, good luck out there. Looks like we are a little bit bearish here at the moment, so I'm glad I didn't take the long where I was looking at it. So hey, thank you. You guys make the stream good. I'm just here enjoying your company. So thanks everybody. I appreciate you guys. Have a great day. And yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow morning.
Still hitting play, still singing the song. Nice trade, Butcher, yeah, we love that vibe. Hit the
Market Butcher roll call.
Thanks, Wayne. Hi, Tam. Wrong Trade Jim. Angia. Tape Reader Alex.
This one's for the Butcher Gang. Top chat legends in the building tonight. Market Butcher crew got the whole stream hype. Lucid giveaways and the candles all bright. Sunday night traders trying to change their life. MBT code if you ready to ride. Top one futures got the butchers outside. FVG flips and the VWAP tie. We surviving every session cause we trade it right. Engine GBU holding number one. Four feds EL1 always loading the gun. Yo Jim Blab in the chat having fun. CBZ and stacking XP by the ton. Jane Bond 99 spying out the charts. Tony L 2029 got sniper darts. Lone Wolf Blue 60 straight in after dark. Miss 911 got the whole trap spark. Hard man Peter keep it steady no tilt. Tim Core stack profits built on skill. One Adam 99 got diamond widow. Rain gap boy yelling let's go still. No revenge trade, no emotional crime. Just base hits stacking one trade at a time. If you blue the evil reload and grind. Cause the Butcher Gang different from the rest online. Top chat legends in the building tonight.
Thanks, everybody. Bye.